Going down to the wire. Understanding this exciting English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a thrilling phrase that you might have heard in movies, sports, or even in business contexts. Go down to the wire. Let's unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Stick around to master this expression and add a touch of drama to your English. Go down to the wire is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation that is uncertain and tense right up until the last moment. It's often used when the outcome is decided very close to the end of a contest, project, or any scenario where there is a deadline or an endpoint. The phrase conveys a sense of suspense and excitement, indicating that the final result is not known until the very last possible moment. The phrase originates from horse racing. In the past, a wire was strung across the finish line to help determine the winner in very close races. Thus, a race that goes down to the wire is one where the winner is undecided until the horses actually cross that wire. Over time, this expression has transcended the world of horse racing and is now used in various contexts to describe any nail-biting finish. To help you better understand how to use go down to the wire, let's look at some examples. 1. Sports. The game went down to the wire, with the winning goal scored in the final seconds. 2. Business. The team worked on the project right up until the deadline. It really went down to the wire. 3. Personal goals. My university application went down to the wire, but I managed to submit it just in time. These examples show that the phrase can be versatile, fitting into various scenarios where the outcome is uncertain until the end. Using go down to the wire in your conversations can add an element of suspense and excitement. Here are some tips. Context is key. Use it when discussing situations with a tight finish or uncertain outcome. Emphasize the suspense. It's perfect for storytelling or describing past events that had you on the edge of your seat. Combine with descriptive language. Enhance your narrative by adding adjectives or adverbs that heighten the sense of suspense. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, go down to the wire, and can now use it confidently in your English conversations. Whether it's a sports game, a project deadline, or any last-minute situation, this expression is sure to add drama and excitement to your story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using it to fully grasp its meaning and impact. See you in the next video.